Welcome students. Today we will discuss math page number 33. Standard 3 maths page number 33. I have already given you page number 32 exercise 1 and exercise page number 33 exercise 2. Already given you homework. Then page number 33 subtracting 4 digit numbers with borrowing. Subtracting 4 digit numbers with borrowing. So how will you do subtraction with borrowing? So while subtracting, we cannot subtract a bigger digit from a smaller digit. So whenever a bigger digit is to be subtracted from a smaller digit, we use the method of borrowing. Clear? While subtracting, we cannot subtract a bigger digit from a smaller digit. That means we will do the subtraction from bigger number to smaller number. Clear? So when means we will subtract bigger number with smaller number. So whenever a bigger digit is to be subtracted from a smaller digit, whenever a bigger digit is to be subtracted from a smaller digit, we use the method of borrowing. Clear? We use the method of borrowing. Examples: 2869 from 9533. Clear? So we will do subtraction from greater number to smaller number. So here 9533 is greater than 2869. So here I have written 9533 minus 2869. So we will do subtracting 4 digit numbers with borrowing. So here, so we will start from one place. Here 3, here 9. So 3 is smaller than 9. We can subtract here. So we will borrow 1 from 10 place. So here 10 place 3 is here. So from 3 we will borrow 1. So 1 means 110. 110 plus 3, 13. So 13 minus 9, 4. Then here after taking 1, here is 2. So 2 and here 6. So it is also 2 is less than 6. So we can subtract. Again here 2 will borrow from 100 place. Here 1, that is 12. So 12 minus 6. Answer is 6. Then here is 4. So 4 and 8. 4 is less than 8. So we will borrow again 1 from 1000 place. Here is 1, 14. So 14 minus 8, 6. And 9 minus 1, 8. So 8 minus 2, 6. Clear? Again another one. So here second example. Here is 1 plus 8 minus 4. So 8 is greater than 4. So 8 minus 4 is 4. So here 10 place. Here is 0. Here is 2. So from 0 we can subtract 2. So here this 0 will borrow from 100 place. 100 place also 0. So this 100 plus 0 will borrow 1 from 1000 place. So here it will be 10. And here it will be 5. So from 10, this 100 plus 0 will borrow 110. That is 10 will borrow. Here it will be 10 and here is 9. So 10 minus 2, 8. Here 9 minus 1, 8. And here is 5. 5 minus 4, 1. Clear? Then subtract. Third example, subtract 98 from 6000. 3998 from 6000. So 6000 is greater than 3998. So here is we will start subtracting from one place. One place is 0 here. 0 minus 8 we can subtract. So from here 1 place 0 will borrow 1 from 10 place, but here also 0. So 10 plus 0 will borrow 1 from 100 place, 100 plus also 0. So 100 plus 0 will borrow 1 from 1000 place. So here it is 6. So from 6 we will borrow 1. So it will be 10. 10 from 10 1 will borrow, means 10 will borrow, 10 place borrow 1. So it will be 10. So from 10 place again 1 place will borrow 1. It is 10. So 10 here, this here will be 10, here 9, here 9, and here 5. Clear? Here 10, here 9, here 9, here 9, 5. Understood? Means this 0 will borrow 1 from 10 place, but here is 0. So from this 0 will borrow 1 from 100 place. 100 place also 0. So from 100 place this 0 will borrow 1 from 1000 place. 1000 place is 6. So from 1000 place 1 will borrow. So here will be 5 and it will be 10. So from 10 here in 10 place will borrow 1. So it will be 9, and here 10 from 10 place 1 place will borrow 1. So it will be 9, and here is 10. Clear? So from 10 minus 8 2, then so why it is 10? Because from 10 place we have borrow 1. So here is 10. 10 means 10. So 10 minus 8 2, and here is 9. 9 minus 9 0. Here is 9. 9 minus 9 0. Here is 5. 5 minus 3 2. So remember one thing. 10 ones means 110. 10 tens means 100. 10 hundreds means 1000. Clear? 10 ones means 110. 10 tens means 100. 10 hundreds means 1000. Next, which number is greater and by how much? Next, which number is greater and by how much? Here 6538 and to 4124. From this number, which number is bigger and by how much? Means this number is bigger than this number, and how much is bigger? We will do that one. So how much will be bigger? What we will do? We have to subtract. 6538 minus 4124. So here 1 from 1 place we will start subtracting. So 8 minus 4 4, then 10 place 3 minus 2 1, then 100 place 5 minus 1 4, then 1000 place 6 minus 4 2. Clear? So here 2414. So 6538 is greater than 4124 by 2414. Clear? 6538 is greater than 4124 by 2414. Clear? Then 2439 and 4852. So here 4852 is greater than 2439. So we will do subtracting from one place. So 4852 minus 2439. So here 2, here 9. 2 is less than 9. So we can subtract. So from 2, that means in one place 2 will borrow 1 from 10 place. So it will be 10. 10 plus 2, 12. 1 will borrow 1 10 plus 2, 12. So 12 minus 9, 3. Then here is 4. 4 minus 3, 1. Then here is 8. 8 minus 4, 4. Then 2 minus 2, 4 minus 2, 2. Because 4 is greater than 3. 8 is greater than 4. 4 is greater than 2. So answer is 2413. So 4852 is greater than 2439 by 2413. Clear? Then what should be added to 1634 to get 4686? Clear? What should be added to 1634 to get 4686? Means what number will add with this number? Our answer will be 4686. So what to do? Here we will subtract 4686 minus 1634. So we will subtract from one place. One place is 6. 6 minus 4. So 6 is greater than 4. So no problem. 6 minus 4 equal to 2. Then 8. 8 is greater than 3. 8 minus 3 5. 6 minus 6 0. 4 minus 1 3. Since the sum is 4686, so we need to subtract 1634 from 4686 to get the answer. Clear? Why we have subtract this number with this number? Because this is the sum. This is the sum. So we need to subtract 1634 from 4686. Then this is our answer. So this number should be added to 1634 to get answer 4686. Take away 1564 from 7628. So we will subtract 7628 from minus 1564, because we know that we will subtract bigger number to smaller number. So bigger number is 7628, then 1564. So we will subtract from one place 8 minus 4, because 8 is greater than 4. So no problem. 8 minus 4 equal to 4. Here 2 minus 6, but 2 is smaller than 6. So from 2 will borrow 1 from 100 place. So here 100 means here 1 will borrow, that is 10. 10 plus 2 12. 12 minus 6 6. Then here 5 minus 5 0. Then 7 minus 1 6. Then page number 36, exercise 3. Page number 36, exercise 3. Here number 1, find the difference of, I have done 1 and 2, then A and B, rest of will be your homework. A 7915 minus 4823. 4823. So 5 minus 3, 5 is greater than 2. 3. So 5 minus 3 equal to 2. Then here 1. 1 minus 2. 1 is less than 2. So from 1 means 10 place. 1 will borrow 1 from 100 place. So it will be 11. 11 minus 2, 9. Then here is 8. 8 minus 9. 8 minus 8, 0. Then here is 7. 7 minus 4, 3. Then number B, 6211 minus 3455. So here one place 1 and 5. 1 is less than 5. So from 1 will borrow 1 from 10 place. So 10 place, here 1 will borrow means here is 0. Here is 11, 1. Then 1 10 plus 1 11. 11 minus 5, 6. Here is 0. Again this 0 will borrow 1 from 2. Means 100 place. So it will be 10. 10 minus 5, 5. Then here is 1. So 1 again will borrow from 1000 place. So here it will be 11. And here is 11 minus 4, 7. And after here is 5. 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3, 2. Clear? Then from C to H, number 1, page number 36. Number 1, page number 36, exercise 3. C to H is your homework. Then number 2, 8000 minus 200, 2846. 8000 minus 2846. So here 0. 0 minus 6, you know that 0 is less than 6. So this 0 will borrow 1 from 10 place. But 10 place is 0. So this 10 plus 0 will borrow 1 from 100 place. 100 place also 0. So 100 place will borrow 1 from 1000 place. So from 1000 place, here after borrowing 1, here is 7. So here is 0, 1 will borrow means 10. 10, here is 10. So from 10, here again this 10 place will borrow 1. So here will be 9 and here is 10. Then from here is 10. From this 10 place, again 1 place will borrow 1. Here is 9, here is 10. Clear? Now 10 minus 6, 4. Then 9, 9 minus 4, 5. Then 9, 9 minus 8, 1. Then 7, 7 minus 2, 5. Clear? Then B, 5000 minus 3889. This is also same as number A. Clear? So here 10, then 10, then 10. So from this 1 plus 10 will borrow 1 from here. Here will be 9. This 10 will be, this 10 plus will borrow 1 from 1000 place. This 100 place, sorry, 100 place, then 100 place will borrow 1 from 1000 place. So here is 4, here is 9, here is 9, here is 10. So 10 minus 9, 1, 9 minus 8, 1, 9 minus 8, 1, 4 minus 3, 1. So from C to S is your homework. Then number 3, arrange in columns and subtract. Arrange in columns and subtract. I have done A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D, E to H is your homework. So here you have to do subtraction from greater number to smaller number. Here you just see 4533 minus 2215. So here I am subtracting, answer is 2318. Then B, 4228 and 6000. So 6000 is greater than 4228. So 6000 minus 4228. After subtracting, you will follow that examples, that exercise 3 number 2A. So like that you will do, answer is 1772. Then C, 6947 from 9679. So here 9679 is greater. So 9679 minus 6947. So answer is 2732. Then D also 2474 and 4891. So 4891 is greater. So minus 2474. So answer is 2417. Therefore, which number is greater and by how much? So here which number is greater? So you know that this is greater than this number. And subtraction means we will do greater number to big smaller number. So here by how much means after subtracting this is our answer. So this number is greater than this number by this much. Sorry, which number is greater than by this number is greater than. So our answer is this much, 2421. Then number 5, take away 4396 from 5961. Take away means minus. Clear? So bigger number to bigger, you have to subtract bigger number to smaller number. So 5961 minus 4396. So answer is 1565. Then subtract the difference of 7915 and 4823 from 9000. Clear? Subtract the difference. So we have to find the difference of this number and this number. Clear? So here is 7915 minus 4823. So after subtracting, our answer is 3092. Then subtract the difference. This is the difference. Then we have to subtract this answer with 9000. So 9000 minus 3092. So answer is 5908. Then number 7. What number when added to 4569 gives 7241? Same. So what number will add? So here we have to subtract 7241 minus 4569. So answer is 2672. So this number will add with this number. Our answer will be 7241. Understood? Then what should be subtracted from 3885 to get 1738? So what number should subtract with this number? We will get what should be subtract from this to get this. Clear? So what number will subtract? So here this number will subtract with this number. What is our answer? That much will subtract with this number. We will get the answer is this one. So 3885 minus 1738. Our answer is 2147. So 2147 will subtract with this number. Our answer will be 1738. So you will do this one in your school copy, this much. Then workbook page number 25 to 27 is your homework. Workbook page number 25 to 27 is your homework. Thank you.